Okay, and then we look this Toyota's flasher relay, and this is really this part what makes this flasher to work, and this is inside in dashboard, this part, and we can purchase that new one, and there is manufacturing code, and code is this 819800540. Okay, and then we can look closer this. This is really flasher made in Denso, and this made 85 this flasher per minute, and if we have any issues that it is different amount, then we need to replace that, and there is really these connectors what we open and we replace, and this part keeps this in body, and this is really inside in dashboard, and there is this product code, and we can see that code is that, and we can purchase these also in Toyota dealership centers, these parts.